Hello everyone, my name is Darshan and I'm a Salesforce developer at Cloud Analogy. We have a team of Salesforce experts. We have completed 100 plus projects. We have also 25 certified resources. We have also product in the exchange. So this is the project about the interactive flow. So the interactive flow project is just like a web to lead. If we see the web to lead in the we fill the data on the HTML form which is saved into the Salesforce. So in this project on the interactive flow, first I want to say something about the project, what all we can do in this project and how we can create a dynamic form according to the requirement. So you are in call with the client or any third party vendors. At the time of requirements gathering, we have a write the question. So on the template form, after saving a new form is created and in the site or sent to the end client for the confirmation. Also we can directly create feedback form and send to the client. If needed, the same form is reusable and used to another client. Before starting the project, at the time of call, we can ask question directly to the client, or we can write the question and send a mail to the client for the confirmation. So now we have an app with the name of interactive flow. When we are on the client call, we can write every question on the template form or manage the form according to what we need and save the form. On saving the record, a record is created in Salesforce. Next, we can send the URL of the to the client or anyone from whom we can give their feedback. It creates a record and save in Salesforce. After answering, we compare the feedback or answer with the percentage obtained by others. Now I'm going to show the demo how it is work. So before that, I will just refresh the project. We start from the main page. Here is the table and we see multiple record already created in this table. If you want, we use the same form, then we can select and use. This is the form where we can see the questions and we can write the answer. After the next, we can see there. If you want to use the same form, we can select any form as that. Otherwise, we can create a new form on the click of new form button. After clicking that new button, we select any template. There are many templates. We can select any templates of that. So now I'm going to select first template. Click on the button. We can see the template form. Here we can see the button with the name of add new button or text box where we can write the heading form name. So when we click on the add new step, we can see there is the step 1. If we want to add more steps, we can add them another step, or we can add many steps as we want. The step is just like a page. In a single step, we can add multiple questions. So when the form is created, we can see the page and there are the multiple questions. If we click the next button, then another page will open. The page is a single page is called a step. A step, if you know how many pages accordingly, you can add step from starting to another position. If you need 10 steps, we can add 1 to 10. Moreover, we can add and remove functionality on the step. If you want delete this one, we can delete. Right now we have like 10 steps. We created that, and if I'm just firstly I added some question on the step 3, step 2. If I want to delete this step, so there the third step will be changed automatically with the step 2, and I'll delete it. We can see there are the 2 questions on the step 2. We have deleted. Also, if there is a functionality of drag and drop, we can drag and drop the functionality. You can add anywhere. This just like we have the drag and drop functionality as well as. Let me now add some question onto the step. And just if I'll there are different types of question we can see: short text field, paragraph types, email address, pick list, radio button, etc. So we can add multiple question in a single step. If you want to add first short text, second one the paragraph text, third one is the email address which we want, we can add this. We fill the form first with the form name on the heading. We see the field on the form according to the question. We can select the short text from here. We have an option, yes, we can select the short. We can see here question placeholders, some toggles there, button like numeric only, character limits and required answers. If you will select any other question, the field will change according to the type. If I select the phone number, there we can see only one toggle and one question, no placeholder. If I select the pick list, you can see the pick list or the question, we can add the pick list according we need. Also delete. There are some functionality in that. If we are select any other questions type, so these fields automatically change. What we select the question type, the question will be changed. This is slider. I'll just checkbox. All the fields will change according to the question type. We also have some question type like pick list, checkbox, radio button. Now it is time to give a choice the pick list type and button. If just I'm going to add any pick list, we can add the questions, the 1 A, B, C. So when I will save this one, the ABC will come as a pick list value. So now I'm going to fill this form and create a new template. So I'm just starting from that. Starting the fill the form, I'll just choose the short text field. I'll add the question here. What task do you want the question? We can add type here. We can add anything on the placeholder. If we need the character limits, we can set. We can add the numeric answer only or required answers. I'm just giving the required answer. I'll give another question, which is also short text file. This one here. Now I will not click on any toggle, so it will not be mandatory or another. So I'm just adding two fields here. You can see in the add or remove functionality on the question as well. There is the duplicate functionality. If I duplicate this one, the question is same. If I want to delete the question, there are some functionality on the over. We can click on there, we can make a duplicate, we can delete this one. So there are some more special functionality on the component. So now I'm just going to fill all the fields and show the result how it is. So now I have created some steps with the question. If you can see there, the step first, there is the question, what it was in the short text with the required field. Okay, and the second one, there are no required field with also just text box. Here you can see this again short text box and the question is the paragraph text field. Here you can see the command is there are two fields in step 1, step 2, and step 3 we have the 3 fields. So it will show like that, and the step 4 only one field. We can add one fields or more field in a single step. It will show according the page in the form. So where we can see and there are created 7 steps on the page. I'm just going to new feedback template test. Feedback template test. Give the form name also. When here we have some option: build, customize, gamification, and submit. When I click the customize, it will be saved and go in the customize mode where we can work on the CSS as well. So right now I'm just click on the customize and show how the form will be shown. So here we can see this is the UI which we select on that. We have some steps also. All the next button here. So there is the progress bar when we fill the data, and according that the data will be changed. Here we can see the required field as well as. When I click on the next, we can go in the next field as well. There we have options. When I click on all the fields like that, this is the customized form. So we will add on more in that. And this is the thank you page will be open. When I click on the build, it will be go again on the edit form. So now we can delete and remove and move anything. It will be changed according to that. So now I will show you how the form will be shown for the end client. So we will go on the table. This is the form which I created, new feedback test template. So when I click on the view details, we can see there the question tab where you are able to just like, I'm just going to test. The answer is the test one. Or this is the answer. Just giving a test answer, so not any answer. So this is the required field installation. Not filled in that. It will be error. This is the error. That kind of errors. So we can see the question. So when I click on the next button, this is the first page. There is no back button. I click on next button, the back button automatically. So, and we can fill all the values and there. This is the official mail ID. I'll give the placeholder on that. This is the toggle button where we can see the value will be changed accordingly when we click on the toggles. They are the office address. They are the placeholder we give there. One on that we can create that. This is the pick list where we are giving on the add button or more add button. We can change this one. So also we can see the date pick list. Everything is come on the form. So when I click on the submit button, the thank page will open and the feedback will be come to the Salesforce and it will be saved. Thank you so much.